And then I'm like, I can't play dead because I'm too ticklish. Like if the bear like sniffs right here and pokes me, I'm gonna be like, I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fail. I don't want that to be the last noise my son hears of me. Like, how'd your dad die? He died crying. Like, I don't know. It's weird.
I mean, to be fair, there's only a small amount of the population that can protect people from wildlife from bears. So I think you hit it right on the nail.
Like they say with grizzly bears, if you see a grizzly bear get big, because they'll get big and you roar with it, and you're supposed to scare the bear off. They say if it's brown, lie down, and you just play dead, and they'll sniff around you and they'll run away. And I'm thinking, what's the difference between a grizzly bear and a brown bear if they both brown? I'm like, I would definitely play dead with the wrong bear, and then it's like, whatever. And then I'm like, I can't play dead because I'm too ticklish. Like if the bear like sniffs right here and pokes me, I'm gonna be like, I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fail. I don't want that to be the last noise my son hears of me. Like, how'd your dad die? He died crying. Like, I don't know. It's weird. So yeah, it's only a very few. It's like 3 people in the whole world that can probably handle a bear. Like I was watching this show on the Discovery Channel. It's called Man vs. Bear, where humans try to do like the same challenges as bears. Like they actually go against the bear in these challenges. It was like a bear tug of war. No one's won. Not one person has won this challenge. Now, I mean, people have lasted longer than others, but you see these super strong, muscular men. I've been lifting weights since I was 2 years old, and I think I could take it. And it's like, I'm like, well, what do I have to